Ready to head to Texas roads? Discover the ultimate guide to obtaining your Texas driver's license with ease. From necessary documents to insider tips, we've got you covered. Don't let the process overwhelm you. Let's simplify it together. Click now to drive your dreams. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get Texas drive license. In this video, we'll explore how to obtain your Texas driver's license online. We'll cover the key steps, important resources, and tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you are a new driver or moving to Texas, we've got you covered. Let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into acewool.com, and we have the second one, which is dps.texas.gov. By the way, DPS is Department of Public Safety. Alright, so let's just discover the first one. So aceable.com provides online driver education courses for teens and adults as well, focusing on safe driving practices and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective as well. So the first step that you have to do is just here we have online drivers ed courses. If you choose the one you want, if you want here California, Florida, Georgia, or let's just say in the city that you are living right now. For example, I will select Texas because this video we will just talk about Texas, by the way. So I will select Texas. Then I will find other page, which is this one. Here we have Texas Drivers Ed Online. The first option we have here, convenient. We have 100% driving classes online on your own time. Then we have fun, like really fun, a lot of videos, memes, and gifts. Then we have fast, get your permit after 6 hours. Then we have legit or legible, take the official test in application with a limited retreats. So you have just to select if you want the teens, drivers 80 or adult drivers. Alright, so if we scroll down, we will just discovering what is the difference of Texas Parents Taught Drivers 80, which is this one, and the second one, which is here Texas Adult Drivers 80. About the first one, we have here the option drive confidently without TDR approved course. Then we have earn your permit from any device anywhere. Over 2 million families trust ACEable to graduate safe drivers, and you have to pay, by the way, $75. Alright. Then the second one we have here plus 18 years old. So it's for adult drivers 80. So about this one we have plus 200 free DPS exam practice questions. We make sure you ace the test. Then we have fast same day certificate of completion delivery. Then we have 1 free month of all state roadside services, and you have to pay $39, or let's just say approximately for $40 per days packages. So this is just a promotion. You can just get started as soon as possible because actually you have to pay $75, and about the first one you have to pay $115. You have just to get started as soon as possible because it's a promotion for those packages. You have just to select the one you want. For example, I will select the first one, and you'll find other page, which is this one. Alright, so about this one we have promo discount. You have just to select the one you want. If you want here Texas Parents House Drivers 80 with promo, you have to pay $75, and you have just to select plan promo if you want this one. If you want only course only, you have just to pay $115. For example, I will select course only, and you will find other page, which is this one. The total we have it in the right top here, shopping cart. You have just to pay $113, and we have just also to create an account by adding your student first name, your student email address, your confirmation student email address, your student password, and also here we have some information of your payment, such as your card number, expiration date, security code, then your country, and you have to click over I have read and agree to your terms and conditions, and you click over continue, and you get started with this one. All right. Then we have the second one, which is Texas Adult Drivers 80. I will just click over enroll now, and we'll find other page, which is this one. Here we have, you can just select if you want to do promo, and here we have Texas Adult Drivers 80 with promo. You have just to click over claim promo, or you can just click over here Texas Adult Drivers 80 without promo, and we have course only. Alright, so for example, I will select claim promo because firstly we select course only. Let's just discovering about claim promo right now. About this one, we have in the right, you have to pay 16, or let's just say $70 per example. For example, we have 16 and dot 90, and you have to pay for 61. All right, you have just to add your student first name, your email address, your confirmation email address, your password. Then if you scroll down, you'll find also some information of payment, such as your card, and you select here if you want here other banks. For example, Bank of America, PNS, and US is AA, and we have Chase as well. So I will select the first one about card, then I will add my country and other options. Then also we have here, I have read and I wish your teams. You have just to click over teams and conditions, and you select the option by checking this box. I confirm that I am at least 18 years of age. Then you click over continue. Alright, so this is it for Aceable. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful to use this one if you want to get your license of drivers. Alright, so this is for this phone. Let's move on to the next website, which is DPS. Let's just say Texas Department of Public Safety. So Department of Public Safety oversees driver licensing and vehicle registration in Texas. It administers with the state's driver education programs, conducts driving tests, and issues driver's licenses and identification cards. The DPS also enforces traffic laws and promotes safe driving practices to enhance road safety for all Texas. So it's just discovering this website. So first you have just to click over driver license and IDs, or you can just scroll down and you'll find here the option of driver license. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. About this page, we have three options. You can just select the one you are. If you want here, assistant for people with disabilities, or new appointment scheduling system, or security incident. Let's just discovering the first one. We have here assistance for people with disabilities. You can just right now add your first name, your last name, then you add your date of birth, then you select this option also if you want, and you have also here to add your text driver license or ID number as well. Then we have also here the option of home address, city, and we have also here zip code, daytime phone, alternate phone, email address, and we have also here driver license office you want to visit, EDA accommodation need, question and requests as well. Then you click over submit form, or you click over clear form if you want this option. So here we have about the first one, which is assistance for people with disabilities. Let's move on right now to the new appointment scheduling system. About this one, you have just to click over driver license services appointment, and you have just to scroll down and you click over schedule a driver license appointment, and you will find a page, which is this one. You have just to select your preferred language to continue if you want English or Espanol. Of course, I will select English, then I will just complete the files below. For example, we have here Texas card number, first number, name, last name, date of birth, last four of SSN, and you click over log on. Once you do that, you will find other page that you have to complete your files, and you get started with this one. More driver license services appointment. Alright, so right now we have the last one, which is security incident. About this one, you have just to select if you want the PDF of Chinese language security incident, or Japanese language, Korean language, and Vietnamese language. So this is it for this one. You can just get started as soon as possible. I advise you to use this for Texas. It's very helpful to use it, and you will get your licenses without finding any problem. So thanks for watching. Now you have the tools and knowledge to navigate the process of getting your Texas driver's license online. Remember to check the official resources we discussed and stay organized with your documents. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, safe driving, and good luck on your licensing journey.